Hello guys, it's a very windy day today, and I'm trying to put our tarp down. Woohoo! There, wind stopped. There we go. There we go. But it's still, as you can see, flapping around. Hold on, look at this. A block. Ow. There we go. That was watch. What'd you do? And you can't keep this down. Peekaboo. And I just put something on the back, but it blew it off. Look, I just put all that on this back and it blew it off. What I'm gonna do is take these and put right there. I bet that's gonna work. That's so far it's working. But yep, truck's back. So, and it's washed the four-wheeler, but for some reason there's still dirt on it. But for some reason all my chickens are following me. Hey, baby ducks. What y'all doing, guys? We have a new baby calf, and we had two of them, and one of them died because something wrong with it. Don't know what. One day it was fine. Next day it's got frostbite in one eye, blinded it, and from right there it just went all downhill. It had something wrong with it. That's how my week went. Was from that to now this, a windy day. Y'all see the biggie ducks in out in the pond? Here.